Tip number 2 is building a community. I think people also might most likely are going to use your product if you have a big community around it. And I think building communities, the main advantage of this is gathering data. I think this is a great source of data gathering because in the community, people ask questions. In the community, people maybe suggest product improvements. So it's a perfect place to understand what needs to be fixed and what needs to improve. One example is Growth Tribe. So if you take any of our courses or if you're part of our membership plan, you will get access to our community. And in our community, you can ask any questions, you can share your homework with me and Alan, and we can give you feedback. And basically what happens here is that for me and Alan, this is perfect because we see what kind of questions people ask in that community, and then we know exactly how to improve our courses. So it's a great way to actually improve the product and gather data, but also a great way for customers to network, right? So for Growth Tribe's example, people can find like-minded people in the same industry, and they can connect, so they benefit from the course, and they share their knowledge.
They share experiments with each other as well, and they ask for their thoughts, peer reviews. It's a great way to like build that community and make sure that all work on the same.
Another tip, if we want to, so basically to make this community work, people have to post, right? It can't just be me and Alan posting every single time. We want our customers to post. And that's why we put this leaderboard, because we want to give them an incentive basically to post more. So we're not doing anything yet, but let's say whoever is on the top leaderboard every single month, they might get access to premium courses. They might get access to maybe coaching session in the future. So this is how we can use this to build this habit of making sure that people sign in every day and see what's happening, and they can be part of the discussion. So it's all about building the habit. We also have Shopify. I think they have a great community where people ask questions on how they're using different templates. And this makes the whole experience better, because if they're stuck and they don't know how to use your product, they might, stop using it. But once they see how other people are using it, they get motivated, first of all. And then second of all, they might identify solution to their blockers. And one cool example also is Figma. So they don't use their community to do discussions basically, but to share templates. So if you have a product that allows people to create something, you can build a community where people can share their creations. Figma share lots of their templates. We also have Lego. They allow their customers to suggest basically different Legos, and whoever gets more votes, they might actually build this thing. So it's a platform where they can ideate products. So once again, great place to gather data. If you want to get started, I recommend you use BetterMode. I think it's a great platform. It's a no-code platform, so you can build a community from scratch, I think, easily. So that's tip number 2.